Okay, this is round 13 of our Better Together Afghan. I have already done the first two sides so that I'm making sure that I was doing it correctly and coming out with the correct counts and everything before I demonstrate how this is done. So for each row, we are going to start by doing a front post treble around the first single chain of the row before, or single crochet. So we're actually working some of our stitches in the single crochet row underneath our previous row, which was double crochet. So you can locate the very first single crochet that you did of that row, and this looks like it's actually where I joined the row before, so it almost looks like I have two there, but that's actually my join and my single crochet. So I'm actually going to go around both of those. So I'm going to yarn over twice and then put my hook in here and go around the front of this post and do a treble. Okay, and then it says to skip one double crochet behind. So you can see this is the first double crochet. I'm going to skip that one, and then I'm going to do single crochet into the next 3 double crochets from our previous row. 3, and then I am going to front post treble 2 together. So this just means that we're going to do a partial treble and then start the next one and finish it off together, which means it makes just one stitch up on the top of the row, and we're stitching 2 together. So I'm going to go into, let's see how to word again, into the same single crochet as the last treble. So that will be this same spot where I did my first one. I'm going to go around that front post again, and I'm going to do all of my yarn overs except for the very last one. So I will still have 2 loops on my hook, and then I'm going to do my next treble around the 4th single crochet from the row before. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go around there, so you'll have 3 in between here that you did not do anything to. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go around the 4th, front post of the 4th, and I'm going to do this treble, and then you have that extra yarn over still on your hook from before, and you're going to go through all 3 of those at the end. So that was 2 trebles, but you can see it just made 1 V for my next round. And then we skip 1 again, so look back here on your doubles, and you're going to see where you single crocheted before. You're going to skip 1 and single crochet into the next 3. And this is just what you're going to repeat all the way across. So I'm going to front treble 2 together again. I'm going to start with the spot where I did my last treble. Okay, I'm going to do all but the last yarn over. So I've got 2 loops on my hook, and then I am going to start my next treble in the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4 around the front post of this one, and then I'm going to finish off with yarn over through 3, my last 3. So you can see this is just making kind of this V pattern because you are going back and forth. Then you're gonna again skip 1, so go back and see where you single crocheted last, skip 1, and then do 3 single crochets, 2, 3, and then I'm going to do another front post treble around the one I did last time, all all but the very last yarn over so that I can do these together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go through all 3, and then you're gonna go again with the single crochets, and you're gonna skip 1 and do 3. And I'm gonna do this all the way across until I get to the very end, which is a tad bit different, so I'll come back and show you that. Okay, so you can see that I've done most of this side. I wanted to show you the last section. So I've got my 3 singles already. I'm gonna treble around the same one as I did last time on all but the last yarn over, and then I'm gonna go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end of every side, you should be ending your last treble 2 together on this last single crochet. So my last treble of the treble 2 togethers is in that last single crochet. So I know that I have done my counts correct. And then I'm going to skip 1 and do my 3 singles. 1, 2, 3, and then my last treble is gonna just go around that first one, and this is gonna be a full treble. And then I am gonna skip. You should be skipping your last double of the round. So you can see I singled into here before, and all I've got left is 1 double. So if I'm skipping 1 and it's that one, I'm correct again on my count. And then you're gonna single crochet 1 in the corner, chain 2, and single crochet 1 in the corner to make your next corner. And then if you want to count when you get done to make sure you're just counting single crochets, you should have 29. So you're going to start with the first one you did in the corner. So you've got 1, and then you're not going to count that treble. You're just going to count your singles. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and then 29 is your last one that you put into the corner there. So I've got it correct. I've got my 29 singles. As always, if you have any questions, let me know.